Hey everyone, I'm Gregg Mazza. I am a coach and consultant in a niche industry, and I've been following Arne for a bit, and decided to take the leap of faith and actually sign up for his mastermind program. And all I can say is that before I did his program, I've done launches, but didn't really have like a clear roadmap on like, all right, here's the best way to do it. And working with Arne over literally the last 3 months, we were able to launch right in the middle of me also getting COVID, but we were able to do a launch that blew away my other launches by far. Just having that roadmap and the steps and the accountability and the support and the tools, working with Arne was probably one of the best decisions I've made. And I'm not just saying that, like really legitimately one of the best decisions I made for me and how to maximize, a launch for my group. And It blew away my expectations. So I'm excited about the next one. We're already working on number two. If you guys are in a place where you're considering, like, do I sign up? Do I not? So far, my opinion is do it. Like, just do it. Take that leap of faith. It was, for me at the time, truly a bigger investment than I was anticipating doing for myself, just because of where I was financially, and is legitimately got an ROI already, and we've got a lot more to do. So I'm excited about the next launch, and it's been fantastic working with Arne. I'm not just saying that, like, legitimately, it's been great to have that support. So that's all I've got.